Nature of point of origin. The doctrine of not identifying with any single aspect of the Purush has been what Sri Adi Shankaracharya has recommended till now. To let go of all the limiting features of the Purush. Now, he expounds that which remains. Only with this remainder one should identify the Self, who enjoys constant bliss as the eternal witness to all the ongoing activities in the universe. After all the inhibiting identifications cease to exist, that what remains is the point of origin, the source and cause for everything. This point of origin is free from variation and attains a steady position due to its dimensionless quality. Another way to further describe the point of origin or the spiritual body are that it is causal in nature, which means the one that causes, formless, which means the one that has no form, attributeless, the one without attributes, immutable, the unchangeable, indestructible, the one that can't be destroyed. This point is reached through tapasya, which includes pranayam, asana, karma, which is nishkam, meditation, mantra, yantra, contemplation and reflection, etc. These practices involve focusing inwards and becoming aware of the innermost existing witness. Sri Adi Shankaracharya begins to describe the nature of the true self to be identified with after negating every individual aspect of the Purush. Aham nirvikalpo nirakar rupo. I am without any variation and without any form.